Let's start with the first famous street food in Kazakhstan. Let's start with the famous street food in Kazakhstan, which is samsa. I'm going to show you how it looks like. يا جماعة ده محل بتاع السمسة. As you can see, this is very famous traditional street food. As you can see, you're welcome. How are you? Good afternoon. See how it looks like food street. Here it is pizza. Here it is samsa. Can you explain to me what's it? This is samsa, chicken.
Samsa, chicken.
And the samsa meat also.
Samsa.
Also here, also pizza, and here some cheese, samsa cheese, and samsa vegetable. It is very nice. So, can I have one samsa? This is with meat. This one with meat.
No, 3-1.
Okay, can you?
Cheese, chicken.
Okay, can you give me one? Yeah, can you give me one, please? Give me one. Okay. One, please. And yes, please. And do you have water, please? Water. Vada. Yeah. One, please. So I need it. Yeah, thank you.
600.
Wow, very nice. يا جماعة رخيصة 600 تنجي بس. As you can see, it is very, very cheap. It is 600 tenge only. Water and one samsa. Very nice. Okay, I need it. Thank you. I appreciate it.